Nearly 12 months ago, Seeland gave me the Hawker suit to trial. But the unique thing about this particular range is that it's got 3 layers. You've obviously got the outside one that we can all see, and you've got the Cetex, the waterproofing in the middle. And then you've got this honeycomb layer, and this is particularly good because it not only aids in the material breathing, but it also can trap air in among the honeycombing, and it keeps it very warm if you need to be. If you don't, then you've got these zips in various places that you can just undo if you are getting hot. It makes the whole thing excellent in any kind of weather. You can be warm, but you can still breathe if you're moving. And it's an all-rounder. This is a workhorse. This is the one that is ideal for keepers, ideal for stalkers. If you're filling up bags of corn and taking them on, this is the one that I've thrown on it. It's the perfect outfit and totally waterproof. It stretches in every direction. So it gives you that comfort, you know, you need that movability. I even took this to Ireland, and you're climbing up rocks and you're stalking in the mountains of Ireland where I love to go after sika. Perfect, because you've got, look at that, you've got the give in every direction. It's not impeding your movement, whether you're clambering over rocks, climbing into the Kubota, getting in and out of a Land Rover or a truck. It's comfortable, and when you're wearing something all day and working in it, you need that comfort, and this is perfect. It's also tough. You know, this is a workhorse. This is the one, this is the keeper, the stalker's outfit that you throw on in the morning and you get on with your jobs and you fetch it off in the evening and you can wear it again the next day. It's an everyday piece of equipment. Really happy with this range.